The first look has finally arrived, and it doesn't come across as loud or overly dramatic. Instead, it feels like one of those quiet moments where everything just clicks and you realize this could actually matter. According to recent insights from Gadget, a new leak may have offered an early glimpse at Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone. And honestly, there's already something subtly different about it. At first glance, it holds onto that familiar Apple simplicity, clean lines, a minimal aesthetic, nothing unnecessary. But the folding design introduces a layer of curiosity that slowly draws you in. The metallic finish appears refined, while the hinge looks solid, suggesting this device isn't only about appearance, it's built for durability as well. The camera setup sits naturally on the back, without trying too hard to stand out. When folded, it feels compact and comfortable, almost like a standard smartphone. Open it up, and it transforms into a more immersive experience, but still controlled, never overwhelming. What truly stands out is how natural everything feels. It doesn't come across as an experiment or a concept device. Instead, it feels intentional, something carefully crafted. And if this design is close to the final version, it may not need to prove anything at all. It could simply feel right from the very beginning. Based on current reports, Apple's first foldable device could launch this September, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max models. A recent report from the Bell suggests the iPhone Fold may feature 12 GB of RAM, matching what's expected from Apple's Pro lineup. Interestingly, Samsung is rumored to be supplying the 12 GB LPDDR5X memory for this device, adding another layer to the story. When it comes to storage, well-known leaker Instant Digital claims the foldable iPhone could arrive in 3 variants: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Instant Digital also hinted at possible pricing in the Chinese market, listing the device at 15,999 yuan, 17,999 yuan, and 19,999 yuan depending on the storage option. When adjusted and compared with Apple's usual pricing strategy, analysts suggest the global pricing could land around $1,999 for the 256 GB model, approximately $2,199 for the 512 GB version, and close to $2,399 for the 1 TB variant. This represents a significant jump beyond Apple's current most expensive iPhone. However, it aligns almost perfectly with earlier expectations, which placed Apple's first foldable in the $2,000 to $2,400 range. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the iPhone Fold could easily become one of Apple's most ambitious and premium devices to date. So the real question is simple. If Apple does release a foldable iPhone this fall, would you consider spending around $2,000 on it, or would you prefer sticking with a traditional iPhone? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.